At least 53 people have died in incidents related to heavy rainfall in Sudan. Authorities say floods have injured more than 200 people and displaced well over 20,000. More than 2,000 houses have collapsed and over 4,000 others have been damaged. Cases of diarrhea have been on the rise in Kassala, Khartoum and Gezira states, with the spread of waterborne diseases such as cholera. Torrential rains claim lives and destroyed infrastructure in Sudan between May and October every year, but the impact is expected to be worse this year, with millions of displaced people pushed into flood zones due to the ongoing conflict in the country. Joy Kiruki-Juma reports.
The conflict in Sudan has already caused a serious humanitarian crisis. Heavy rains across the country are now causing further destruction.
The war spread to us a week after it hit Khartoum state on the first day of Eid, and we suffered greatly and lost all our money. I had a big supermarket called Asil in the Masudia area, and everyone used to come to it. As the war continued, we were forced to travel from Masudia area in the state of Al Jazeera to Sena and then Abu Hamad. In Sena, the war caught up with us again, and we were forced to flee to Gedaref and Kassala. Now we have not found a way to live in Atbara. We came to Abu Hamad 10 days ago, and after sitting in Abu Hamad, the torrents and rain came to us, and the house where we used to live is completely gone.
Civil society organizations have warned of a humanitarian and environmental catastrophe that could threaten the lives of many. This is after flood waters washed away dangerous and toxic materials from gold mining areas located a few meters from Abu Hamad city.
We know that mercury is harmful and goes and condenses in humidified areas. This means that mercury condenses in water, and we worked with gold and it also causes harm. We are now appealing to the authorities, and we hear about cyanide being used by the authorities. We hear about cyanide because it is harmful, and many experts have proven that cyanide is harmful to human health, even in the atmosphere. So let alone if the waters come and floods wash it away, and the water may have poured into the Nile. We want the authorities to take action and discuss this issue and its harm, and work hard to find a solution to this problem.
Environmental experts have described the damage to the city as a disaster, and they've warned that public agencies in the state don't have the capacity to deal with the current crisis. The government is now appealing to relief organizations to provide aid to those affected by the floods. Joy Kiruki-Juma, CGTN.